It's so cheap, quick, and affordable. No way! That's basically free! We're living on easy mode out here. I'm fucking good, guys. Today we're gonna be finding out how affordable the healthcare is in Vietnam. I'm right now here at Medilab, and I'm gonna get a full blood panel check and see how is my kidneys, my liver, my cholesterol, my hormones, my testosterone. I'm doing a whole check. It's the first time I ever do this in my life. And basically we're gonna see how healthy I really am, because I have been drinking alcohol my whole life. I was an alcoholic, drinking about half a bottle to 3/4 a bottle of alcohol for a good 4 years maybe because of streaming. But now we have stopped. I've been cleansing myself, and as of today I'm 220 days no alcohol. So I think it's very important to see. And then after this we're gonna go and find the nearest dentist and find out what's the cost of getting a dentist to check my teeth and maybe fix a cavity or whatever I might have. I have to do a urine test? Okay, urine test, here we go. Turns out that we get the test results today between 8 or 9 p.m. The rest of the results come in 1 or 2 days to my email, and I just did the urine test. Took my blood. Let's see what's next. Okay, we're out. That was very easy. I made no appointments whatsoever. I just walked in and I'm out within like 15 minutes of everything. Very easy, very simple. The ladies speak very good English, and the test results actually also come in English. I paid a total of about $65 for the whole test, which is crazy cheap. Oh no, you guys let me know in the comment section how much would this cost where you're from, but I know it's definitely a lot more expensive in the Western world, and you probably have to make an appointment and it'll take a lot longer than just 15 minutes. The next place we're gonna go to is find the nearest dentist and see if I can just rock up and they can check my mouth. Sick, I found a place that's literally 5-minute drive from here, and that's why I love Da Nang, Vietnam. This was a 7-minute ride from my place. Now the dentist, 5-minute ride from everywhere. This scooter that I have here, it cost me $3 a day. You don't need a license, you don't need nothing. You just gotta be safe when you drive, of course. But for the most part, life here is easy. So if you are hesitating to come to Vietnam or hesitating to make your move here, don't do it, bro. Stop procrastinating. Change your life, move, just travel. I'm telling you, it's the best decision you'll ever make. It was for me. Also, an update on the weather in Da Nang. As you can see, it's a little cloudy. It's supposed to be raining season, but it only rains maybe once a day, nice and short. But the weather is amazing whenever it's not like this. It's sunny. The breeze is good because you're right next to the beach. Everything just seems a lot easier here, and the vibes in Da Nang, Vietnam, they're so, I don't know how to explain it. They're just smooth, bro. As soon as I arrived here from Thailand, I felt like the energy of this place is so much more chill and relaxed and laid back. I love Thailand, but there seems to be like a dark energy out there that I can't quite describe. Thailand has been a little bit damaged by tourism because of the fact that there's just so many people going to Thailand, so the scams have gotten worse, and the people themselves have gotten used to living off of the tourists, so they scam you a lot more, and the Vietnamese people haven't quite gotten to that point yet. Dental, here we are. This is the one. Let's see what's the damage, how much it costs, and even if they can assist me just right there and then. Hello, Xin Chao. How you guys doing? We filled out the form and she said just wait 10 minutes and that's it. So easy. I told you guys Vietnam is the best when it comes to this. So if you have issues with healthcare, anything like that, and you're planning to come to Vietnam, this is the spot to do it. It's so cheap, quick, and affordable.
Today you want checkup?
Yeah, it's just a checkup and a cleanse maybe. Do you guys do cleanse too?
Clean?
Cleanse, like clean?
Cleaning, yeah. But I check in your mouth first.
Okay, no worries.
I see you had a lot of cake tartar.
And what causes the tartar? Is it because of the food I eat, or because I don't brush my teeth enough?
Yeah. Cold. Yeah, and a long time make a tartar.
So look, guys, so quickly, so fast. She already checked my teeth. She said I have a few cavities, and I need to get some fillers. But they're gonna do a whole cleanse and clean my teeth for only $250,000 dong. Extremely cheap. I don't know if there's any extra costs. They'll wait till the end, and then we can make an appointment for the other stuff, and then they'll also give me a quote for that. Told you guys, the stuff in Vietnam is insane. The chair is comfortable as well. You see the lady, she wears sandals, everything. Chill out here in Vietnam. God, I love this place. She said, she give me free water.
A diamond?
A diamond here?
You want?
I had before.
Ah.
And I took it, it came off, so it's like.
You feel shy?
Yeah.
Okay, I can polish it for you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, everything's great. Nice and smooth. Eee, she's very gentle and soft.
Straight?
Wow, it feels so clean and fresh. Ooh, all the nasty stuff is gone. Look, that's incredible. And she did it so fast, it was like 30 minutes and we're good to go. You did a very good job, thank you. Very professional. So fresh and so clean. Now I can go kiss and make out with all the ladies. So I'm fresh. Let's go find out how much it gets to get cavities done, the fillings, and the cost of this whole thing. No guys, it's really no joke. I had like a lot of tater, or I don't know what it's called, but it was this white stuff that was like down here and all the way back here and all the way in the back of my teeth, and she cleaned it all perfectly. It's like brand new. And she also said I should get the water floss. I've never had one of them. I didn't really see what's the point of that, but I guess it's very important to do. Keep that in mind. 250,000 for the appointment and the cleaning. No way! That's basically free. I love Vietnam. That's crazy. $10 for all that. No way. Okay. She said that maybe I should get some cavities and all that stuff and a filling. Can you give me a quote for this? That was like a 30-minute cleanse and everything, bro. So cheap. So it's 200,000 for one teeth.
Right.
For the filling.
Right. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We have 4 options.
Oh, 4 options, cosmetic filling. Okay, so it can be either 200,000 or 500,000
Right.
per tooth.
Right.
And what about cavities?
Cavity?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're feeling small cavity, 200,000.
Okay. She said I had maybe 4 teeth to do.
14, wait, let me check.
Yeah. 300,000. Maybe I'll get a little diamond tooth. 200,000.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Total 800,000.
So 800,000 to get my cavities done for 4 teeth. Amazing, very cheap. And now if I want to get a jewelry, you can do the jewelry, the diamond?
Diamond?
Yeah, maybe we can get a little diamonds on our teeth. Yes, sir. Also, if you guys are interested, a root canal per tooth is 900,000, which is pretty good. A whitening gel, 300,000. Wow, you can get it all. You can get office laser whitening for 2,500,000, both jaws. And I'm sure if you guys want to know all the prices, just go into their website, Dana Dental in Da Nang. Oh, we're also coming back here on Friday to get our cavities done and our filling, and only gonna cost 800,000 dong for the 4 teeth. So cheap, guys. I swear to God, now it's a spa, bro. We're living on easy mode out here. All right, we came back for the results when it comes to 34-year-old Christian Rodriguez. You, my boy, are not gay. Just kidding. Let's see what they say. Look, actually, if you need any other thing checked, they got it all over here with the prices. Actually, I didn't even need to come here. They sent me the results to my email. Look, bro, we got them all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them into ChatGPT, and she'll describe to us what we're looking like or feeling like as of today. What do we need? All right, here it is. Here are the results. Blood sugar, excellent. Kidneys healthy. Oh, that's good, bro. My kidney's good. The liver is excellent. No way, bro. I managed to recover my liver after so many years of drinking. Hormones looking strong, dude. Vitamins, excellent. Urine, no blood, protein, glycose, or signs of infection. A few things to watch out. My cholesterol, just a slightly above the ideal range. White blood, low cells are slightly low. SHB, slightly above the reference range. Urine, specific gravity, gram. So overall health check, 9.5 out of 10. Blood sugars are excellent, liver is healthy, kidneys are healthy, hormones are very good range, vitamin D and iron stores. I'm fucking good, guys. If you change your life around, even though you fucked up your body for a long time, you can still be healthy. Keep that in mind, guys. If you're drinking alcohol, stop it. It brings you nothing positive, and I'm telling you, if you think that you're more confident, you can pick up girls a lot better because you drink, you're quite wrong, because girls hate the alcoholic breath and you coming up to them looking like a dumbass. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need to get your health stuff done or your teeth done in Vietnam, all these places is the spot. Don't hesitate, come out here. And as you can see, it's very cheap, quick, and easy. Since we got magnificent results, I decided to come and treat myself with some good food. And this is the spot you guys should eat at. I'll put the name of the place in the description, but it's the #1 seafood place in Da Nang, in my opinion. As you can see, guys, look, it's huge and only locals come here. So I decided to get all this. Each plate normally here is only 69,000 dong. Extremely cheap. We got oysters, clams, scallops, fried rice, morning glory, and shrimp. In total, all this costs about $17. And I've already ate here before, guys. Look at the quality of it. It's huge. It's amazing. If you're coming to Da Nang, please, guys, make sure to visit the spot. Not a lot of people know about it. It's fairly a secret. The locals only come here. I don't really see a lot of foreigners. And the only problem with this place is this one. It's a huge menu of all the stuff, but it's only in Vietnamese. So it can be a little bit difficult to order, but they have a menu that have some pictures and you can feel like, okay, give me this, give me this, give me that. But it's amazing and it's right in front of the river. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now you know what is the cost of the health stuff here in Vietnam, specifically Da Nang. If you want more videos like this or anything else you want to know about Vietnam, please comment it down below and let me know. But I appreciate you being here. Give me a like and I'll see you in the next video. CRIS Travels